Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have come up with a tutorial on this makeup look, and this is a combination of green smoky eyes and a metallic lip. Hope you will like it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video then please give this a big thumbs up. So let's see how I created this look. I have already done my base makeup with L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour foundation in the shade Radiant Sun. So I am going with the eye makeup first. Let's zoom a bit. Now to set the base of my eye makeup, I am using a loose face powder Coty Airspun this time. Now I am applying NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Sparkle Green, following my upper lash line. It should not be drawn perfectly as I am going to smudge it later on. I am applying it just for the base of the eye makeup I am going to create today. We have to set it with a powder eyeshadow, otherwise it will move everywhere. Now I am smudging it with a fluffy shader brush. You can see it has a little shimmer in it, but not too much. Today here I am going to create a smoky eye, so it is all about blending the shadows very well. On top of it, I'll be applying the same colored powder eyeshadow. You can use the similar dark shade whatever you have. Today I am using a dark green shade from NYX palette, Waiting for Tonight, and applying it on top of the cream eyeshadow. It is not that sparkling eyeshadow, but it has a very little shimmer in it. Now I am applying this sea green shade from the NYX Ultimate Shadow palette and blend with the dark green shadow on the crease area. While creating any smoky eyes, blending is all about it. There should be no harsh line at all, so you have to keep blending until you are satisfied. This time I am not going much above the crease line. Here I am just following the same with the other eye. When I am satisfied with the blending, I will add some more color to it. Now I'll be using the light green color shade from the Ultimate Shadow palette and apply it on the upper crease area, and then just blend, blend, blend. So here I am going to follow the same with the other eye. So here just following the back and forth motion and just building up the color likewise. Now after depositing the color, I am going to use a fluffy clean brush just to make sure that there is no harsh line left. Now I am just using it on the upper crease area just to get the perfect smoky eye I wanted. Then I just felt that I need a brush off on my lid area. So I went for it. Now I went for reapplying the colors I have used once more just to intensify the colors. So here I am reapplying the sea green shade first. Then just went ahead with the dark green shade. So now it's almost done. Then I am going to use this silver shade from the palette to highlight my brow bone area. It is a shimmery silver shade, so it is good for highlighting the brow bone area. So now you can see the smoky eye look I created here. Now I am going to use the eyeliner from Sugar Cosmetics It is their I Told You So Smudge Proof Eyeliner in the shade Black Swan. Today I am going to create a very small winged eye, not a very dramatic one, but if you want to have some, you can always go for it. I always believe that a perfect winged eye only needs some patience and some practice. So here you can see how it looks. Now it's time for having the mascara on. Today I'm going to use Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. As my eyes are prone to irritation, I'm not going to use any falsies, but you can always go for it as it looks very nice. For the lower lash line, I'm going to apply firstly the sea green shade I have shown you here. Then I will just apply the light green shade on top of it. It's time for applying the mascara on my lower lashes. So here completes my whole eye makeup. Now let's move on with the rest of my face makeup. Here I am going to apply the L'Oreal concealer in the shade medium. I am just applying it under my eyes on a triangular shape, and then I will apply it on my cupid's bow, on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and at last on my chin. And then with the contour brush from Real Techniques, I will blend everything nicely. You can also apply it to conceal any redness or darkness on your face. I will apply whatever left on my brush around my mouth area as I have darkness on that particular place. It instantly brightens up those particular areas where you have applied it. Today I am using Coty Airspun Loose Powder. Just to fix everything in place, I am now going to apply some powder on my face. But if you have dry skin, you can apply it only on that particular areas where you have applied the concealer. Applying it on my neck also. Now it's time for applying some blush on your cheeks. It is NYX Ombre Blush in the shade Feel the Heat. It is too pigmented. So here I just made a mistake of applying it too much on my cheeks. So I just need to fix it. Don't worry if you have done something like that. You can always fix it with your foundation or powder brush like this way. Here I am using my powder brush until I am satisfied with the flush of color I want. So here you can see the difference all by yourself. Now I am applying the highlighter from the same palette just to highlight my cheekbone. Now I am going to apply the same silver shade from the palette I have used earlier just to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. Then I will take the same on my fingers and apply it on the tip of my nose, on my cupid's bow, and some on my chins just to highlight those particular places. So here it's done. Now comes my favorite part, that is applying the lipstick. Today I just wanted to have this metallic lip from Colourpop that I have purchased recently. If you want to have some nude option, you can always go for that. But today I can't resist myself applying it on my lips. It is a beautiful metallic pink, burgundy, plum sort of a color. I really can't explain the color of it, but you can see how gorgeous it is. So here it completes. This is my finished look. It is a glam party makeup look. Please let me know if you have liked it. You can always alter the colors as per your attire of the day. But I just wanted to add some additional ethnic element to it. So here I am with my bindi on. Please let me know in the comment box below if you like this makeup look or if you want me to do any specific look. And you can always share this video with your families and friends. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. So stay happy and stay blessed always. Mwah.